Hey there, it's Chef Sean, culinary director here at the Flint Farmers Market, and I'm in the kitchen with my friends.
Callie, Lillian, and Michael.
And today we're going to tackle a really healthy weeknight meal. It's called sheet pan chicken. You guys ever heard of sheet pan chicken before?
No.
No? What do you think it goes on? A sheet pan, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to work with some nice locally grown chicken. We've got chicken that has been cut up into pieces. Okay, so we've got our drumstick and our breast and our wing pieces, and all of this is going to be cooked on a nice big long sheet pan. All right, so the first thing we did is we heated up an oven. So be very careful, this is hot. All right, and what I want to do is have you guys add the chicken to the top of it, and we're going to sprinkle on a little bit of olive oil. And then, Lily, will you help me put some pieces of chicken on here? Okay, we'll drop those on. See how hot that was?
Yeah.
Okay, so that helps get a nice sear on there. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna put this back in the oven, but what do you guys have to do? We just touched raw chicken, so what should we do?
Wash our hands.
Wash our hands to be safe. Okay guys, so now that we have the chicken in the oven, we have to prepare all the vegetables that go on it. Okay, the chicken has to go in first because it takes the longest to cook, but we're gonna add some really fun vegetables that get roasted. So we're gonna add sweet potato. You guys like sweet potatoes? Mm-hmm. Yep. We're gonna add, what is this? Cauliflower, yeah, and then we got some nice spring onions or scallions. And so what we're gonna do is break all these things up so that they're a little bit smaller, and that we can throw them onto the sheet pan and cook with the chicken for a little bit, okay? So Michael, I know you know a little bit about knife skills, so I want you to use that knife there and help me chop these green onions into big segments, okay? So what do we know about knife skills?
Always hold and cut.
Yep, always keep your hand back from a knife blade. All right, Lillian, can you help me with pulling away little broccoli or cauliflower florets? Can you break those up for me? All right, and I want you to start peeling our sweet potato. So remember that chicken we put onto the sheet pan earlier? So this came out of the oven, and you see how it's starting to get nice and brown and crispy? Now what we want to do is spread all of these vegetables out on top of the chicken sheet pan, okay? So can you guys help me do that? Stay away from the hot pan, but I want you to spread all these vegetables out and just sprinkle them right on top of the pan. Be very careful because it's hot. It is very hot, right? And then we're gonna add a secret ingredient to this. We're gonna add a little bit of curry powder, okay? Have you guys ever worked with curry powder before?
No.
No, so this is a fun spice right from India. We're gonna add a little bit of this on top just to give it a little extra flavor. Perfect, guys. Thank you for your help. Spread those out nice and evenly, okay? Okay, now this goes into the oven. We let it cook for another 15 or 20 minutes until the chicken's done. All right. Now after those vegetables and chicken have roasted for a little bit longer, we have this. This is our roasted sheet pan chicken. So we've got beautiful brown, crispy chicken skin, our roasted cauliflower, and our softened sweet potatoes, and everything's got a little bit of that curry flavor. What do you think, guys? Looks good? Yeah. You ready to taste that?
Yeah.
All right, let me plate that up for you. Okay, so now this is a nice plated chicken. We've got a balanced meal of lean protein and healthy vegetables. What do you think?
Good.
Good? Okay, let's give it a taste. I like the sweet potatoes. You want to try it? You know, I'll help you get a cauliflower on there. How about that? No? The mark of a true child. How about a little chicken? There we go. So there's the makings of a great weeknight meal right there.
It's so good.